Send it.
Don't send him!
So what you're gonna do, you're gonna trip the dog in, act like you're lying down, you're gonna fucking whack the fuck out of her, yeah? Proper. Unclip her and send her on the parking. Beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. Good, beautiful girl. Wow. Wowza. Wowza. What a female. She's wonderful. Wait for the bar. Yeah, open the door, run off. Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! No, wait. Send her. Right, so you got your, tell us, what's the name of your dog?
Khaleesi.
Khaleesi, how old is?
She's kind of 7 months now.
Okay, so it's the first time she's been on a sort of fight station like this, and we're trying to get her to bark. You know what the command is for bark? First time you're doing it as well, right? Most important thing is educating the handler. Young pup, and we want an effective bark. Criminal, step in.
Pass off!
Give her some slack on her line. Give her some slack. Reward it properly. Good. Little bit of tension and let her enjoy it. Let her enjoy it. Good. Now you can praise her. Stroke her now. Yeah, stroke her now. That's it. Lots of praise. There's a time to be a helper and there's a time to be a decoy. Let's make dogs. Let's not break them. She's loving it. Look at her tail in the background going. Huh? That's an enjoyable experience. Bravo. 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 Thank you very much for watching. People always ask us, what do we feed? And we use a combination of a raw meat burger made by a company called Duck. They've been around since 1970s. This is a complete food. And they come in these type of meat burgers with the finest of ingredients. You can basically simply defrost, put straight into a bowl. It's full of all the good things for your dogs. We also mix this with a cold pressed kibble made by the same company. Truly a fantastic product. Malinois are very high drive and they do very well on it, to the point that Max guards the freezer.